Hi, we're from Tapway, and today we're going to talk about AI implementation for smart retail and building.
Okay, so first of all, so this would be our flagship product, which is the People Track Vision people counting. So the way this works is really simple, right? So we would have the solution typically at entrances or exits, and we would count the number of people going a certain direction. So as you can see in this video here, this clip really, you can see that there are two directions. So one denoted by the orange arrow going up, at least from this view. So it's a top-down view. And the other direction going down, right, which is denoted by the blue arrow. Moving on to the next one, which is on People Track Vision crowd control. So as its name suggests, really, it helps really organizations, not just retail stores, manage crowd level. So due to the pandemic, there may be requirements, saying, hey, we wouldn't want more than 10 people in a certain room, due to SOP and regulations. So this solution is real time. So okay, so yep. So I think Leo mentioned walk by earlier, right? So maybe to extend on this really. So walk by counting is particularly important, say when you want to understand things like bounce rate, conversion rate, right? So in simple terms, maybe let's talk about conversion rate. Conversion rate is pretty much say when a customer or when a person walks by the store and ends up entering the store. So that's a conversion. Whereas a bounce rate, refers to say when a customer walks by the store and continues walking by. So yep, with this walk by counting solution that we offer, we're able to capture shoppers, walking by the store. And okay, so yeah, this is a pretty exciting one. So sometimes there are needs by retail stores to find out the demographics of customers visiting their stores. And we have this solution that can distinguish between adults versus child. So what this does really is typically our solution does this based on height, but then there are also other logic such as using facial recognition to sort of determine adult versus child. So okay, so yeah, this really is related to the previous solution. So again, getting to know the demographics of the customers. So here we're able to tell, say, the shopper's profile in terms of whether they're male or female. And interestingly, also if you see in the clip here, you can see it's rather small, but if you look at it carefully, you have the mask icon really sitting within the bubbles there. So that means that it's really an extension of the solution. It also provides details like whether the customer or the person is wearing a mask or not. So I think that's pretty exciting. Okay, so People Track Vision queue counting. So we would like to emphasize that this is a real-time solution over here. As you can see in this particular example, we have a solution deployed to IKEA Gem in Singapore. And as you can see, as people walk into the queue, so really the queue is defined. As you can see, it has the floor has those little yellow circles. So that's where the queue really is. And yep, so basically as one person goes to the queue, the dashboard should show the count of one. And as you can see at a TV display at the top left, you can see that there are three metrics, so three numbers. So they represent the queue count of each level. So really this solution tracks number of people in the queue. And most importantly, if you have multiple queues distributed across the same level or across multiple levels, this can help customers make a decision, right? Where should I queue, right? So where's the shortest queue? Maybe I would like to queue there, to save some time.